What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are headed to the junkyard. Fred invited me yesterday because he's looking for sensors, and I was like, yeah, sure, let's roam the yard, see what's good over there. I did see a couple of inventory of cars that came in. My buddy Mike came over the other day and he grabbed some parts for me, and then when he got home he inspected his engine, and the engine is no good for a rebuild. So he asked me if I knew anybody who had a long block lying around or a short block, and I don't know anybody who has a long or short block for sale. So I told him, I said, yeah, I'm gonna hit the yard anyways. I'll see what's good over there. So if I find an engine that is worth taking for him, we're gonna be pulling an engine today. So right now I'm headed over there. I'm gonna meet up Fred and see what's good in the yard. All right, so simple enough, I'm not here for anything, but I'm looking for an Integra. Why does this look like old inventory? I just remembered my brother wants me to look for 98 to 01 Integra 4-door because he wants the red outer taillights. And I think there's one here, but I'm gonna go through these rows and see. I mean, it's a lot of the same stuff, but let's see what we can find today. EX automatic. Hot boy, super hot boy. Eesh. My brother may need some things off of this. Sheesh. You guys remember this Honda Accord? My buddy Richard came over here and snagged the door off of it because you don't really see these cars in the yard, especially the same color as his. Oh, couple empty rows over there. Okay. Oh, and a quick little update on that Honda Accord, the A to B setup, it's running. Just got to button up a few more things and it's ready for the dyno. Automatic. Ooh, look at this. Ah, damn. When do you ever see one of these? Oh. Wow. 185,000 miles. 82 Accord. Yeah, remember this wagon? Stripped, kind of. Somebody took off all the moldings and pretty much broke it all, not realizing that there's freaking 10 mils on the back right there. Broken. But I was debating on this fender when I first saw this car. Had a little dent there and there, but now that I'm back here and I'm looking at it, it's still clean. Somebody didn't destroy this like all the other ones, and this is repairable. So I already took everything off. Go ahead and just take this fender with me. I'm gonna repair that, prime it, and just kind of have it set away for whenever I or somebody needs it. Automatic. Aww. This has a very clean interior. If this had the floor mats, the OE floor mats, this fits really well in the CRX. La Ponda has EK floor mats, and I kind of want to do the same, but the fronts are gone. I got an EK hatch here. Oh, clean interior as well. Ooh, super packed. It's got a different back seat. Somebody's stashing away. Automatic as well. Smells really nice in here, actually. Oh, you look at that. TSX. Oh crap, I shouldn't have looked at that. God damn, Fred, it's untouched, bro. Like,
so it's a 2.4
TSX is what everybody and their mama want. I got a couple of these already. This is what's in my KRX. Dude, I'm fighting the temptation of This is not what I'm here for. I'm not really here for anything, but wow. Look at that. Pretty damn clean. Damn, Fred. You gonna buy it? You gonna buy it, Fred?
How much are they?
Why is this got a red ashtray? Is that OE? I don't know, but I'm gonna leave it there because I don't care for it. I don't want to spend the money I don't have for it, Fred. That's what I'm saying.
Well, you don't, and you say you don't need it.
Yeah, but you know what I'm saying? With a car like this, it comes untouched to the yard. You can't just let it sit. You know what I'm saying? Ah, damn.
I've never had one. I've never got a chance to pull one. Are you filming?
You pulled it with Higgins. What are you talking about?
For me. That was Higgins.
Okay, you better get to work then. I'll tell you that. I'm gonna go finish walking real quick. There was 6 Integras in this yard. I'm about 3/4 down and I haven't even seen one. Ooh, god damn. What's going on here? Civic Honda Motorsports. Hype R. Sheesh. That didn't last too long. Oh, touring car. Actually, I'm gonna grab my tools because I still need that tail light even if I don't find the Integra. So Fred is gonna pull out this 24 because he likes pulling shit apart like he said, and it doesn't hurt to have it lying around like he said, even though I want it. But I'm giving you dibs, Fred. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish walking the yard. You know what? I'm an idiot. That Integra that I'm looking for is a freaking Integra that I've been looking for. That has a tail light. So I'm just gonna grab my whole entire tool bag. See you in a bit.
You got the 8?
I should. If I don't, I got pliers or teeth. Damn, I almost didn't see this car. So this is an EX coupe. Cluster's already gone. 5-speed. I've been slacking in the yard, to be honest with you guys. Been slacking. Moteki. Automatic RSX. Base model. Oil pump. God damn. Sludge for days. God damn, dude. It is OBD1. '94 orange outers. So this hatch, I was given a tip that it was here, and it's got a rear disc on it. And e-brake cables are gone. This car had Buddy Club P1 wheels on it, and Adolfo came here and snagged it because I didn't have the key to come here and grab it. Shaved moldings, interesting. So this is kind of wedged up here. Somebody did try to take off the trailing arm, and this one is wedged on the wheel. Kind of want the trailing arm, but I don't need the trailing arm because I do have trailing arms at home already with calipers and rotors and everything. But I robbed the e-brake cable for the giveaway CRX, so I have trailing arms without e-brake cable, and that's what I'm going to take instead. It looks pretty. It's already taken off over there, both sides actually, and it's just held on by the 12 mil there, I think 12 mil, and then just the what is this? Wait, I don't have calipers either. They do have a brake sale today, so I'm probably just take the whole caliper with it. I know somebody was asking me for this, but completely ignored it. So I got the calipers, the e-brake cable from this hatch. Unfortunately, I'm not taking the trailing arm, even though that's worth some money, but this is what I need to complete my set. So I did run the part number to make sure that this is a CRX caliper, and they are. So I'm gonna go ahead and just head back, help Fred with the K24, and I did see one Integra walking this way, so let's go check it out. God damn it. I'm telling you guys, 99 2000 front end in the junkyard. There's two of them right here. OE. This is a really nice rare color too. So Fred's putting in the work. I've been gone for like 3 hours and he only got like a couple hoses taken off. And Fred is really just asking me like what to disconnect, what to not disconnect. Normally I tell people when you're pulling the engine out, I don't really care for anything else in the engine bay, because if it's a TSX engine and the engine's not here, nobody's really going to come here and look for the other stuff. I highly doubt it, but typically run your hand around the engine. Whatever's in the way is what you take off. So like I said, radiator, take it all out of the way so you can access the motor mount. Intake's in the way, which allows you to get to the transmission stuff. Heater hoses, fuel line, cut all that out. Power steering, kick it off to the side. There's only a couple of bolts. So Fred is set to taking his engine. We're just gonna get right to work and get this thing out of here so we don't spend too much time in here. So guys, my GoPro died. I failed to change the battery before I came to the yard. And the battery died when the engine came out of the car. So what me and Fred did, we stripped the entire engine down to the bare long block because we're only needing the long block. So pretty much flex plate, transmission, intake manifold, starter, none of that stuff we needed. Alternator, AC compressor. Bare long block, I believe it's like $211 before tax and fees and all that core stuff. So probably like under $300, but at the end of the day, this is going to be a lot cheaper than buying it from an importing shop. The engine rotates really freely. This is a 2008, as said right there, 2008. And this thing came from the insurance because it is smacked in the back. So engine, hopefully it runs well. The oil was like very clean. The coolant was OEM Honda, or the Asian coolant, I guess you want to call it. But we're gonna go ahead and just get this on out of here because I don't want to keep recording a bunch on my phone, because you know what I'm saying, I don't want to fill it up. So right now we're headed to Fred's house to drop off the engine. I don't remember what he paid for it, but I'll talk about it when we get over there. But check out this Y&S though. Ooh wee, this thing is too clean, my boy. God damn. Really nice. Well, there that goes. Before it goes away though, how much you pay for this after everything?
$291.
Actually, it's not too shabby. Now it's gonna sit in Fred's backyard for the next like decade. With the other K series he got from Brian. So for me, granted, I already knew the fender was gonna cost me a lot. And the fender was $58.99 with a $5 core. And then I bought calipers ×2, which is, brake caliper is $6 because there is a sale today. I bought 2 of that, and then the emergency cables, which are these right here for my trailing arm, I paid $37.98 for 2, so $18.99 each. And then obviously the environmental fee, $13, total tax $13. I spent $154. You know, it is what it is, the junkyard, you know. And this right here, if I left a clip in the video, there was a person that came up to the car that was next to the TSX that we were working on, and my tool bags and parts was on that car. The dude didn't see anybody there because I was on the phone with Higgins, because Higgins ended up going to the junkyard. And the dude walked up to the car, he looked at the parts on the car, which was the fender and the calipers and stuff, and he threw it on the floor. And when I was on the phone, I was about 3 cars away, I looked over, I seen him toss it, so I went up to him like, yo, dude, that's my shit. And then he was like, oh, you know, he didn't speak English. And he was like, oh, sorry, I didn't know. He was trying to work on something there. I'm like, man, you should have asked, bro. Like, my tools and everything's on the car. You don't just toss somebody's shit, like, on the floor, even though I don't blame him because he didn't know if it belonged to anybody. But there's a new dent. There's a new dent on the fender. Let me show you guys. It's not really a big deal because if this thing is going to go through body work anyways, it's not that much more to fix that dent, right? But it's just, like, it's principles, you know what I mean? At the end of the day, still super clean fender. I am going to do the body work on it, prime it up, and just kind of keep it away with the other 15 that I have sitting in the backyard. So, you know, $154. it is what it is. So Fred out here treating me to some Korean. I've never been here, obviously it's not my neck of the woods, but damn, it looked fire, dude. Still sizzling under. I think we got some spicy chicken too, yeah?
It's coming.
Oh yeah, it's coming. Alright guys, so me and Fred just got done eating some really good Korean barbecue, and I just left Fred's house. I'm headed back home now. I'm not doing any more in this video. I literally went to the junkyard to go check out some taillights from my brother, which turned into a little treasure hunt for a B-Series long block, an LS long block from my buddy Mike, but there wasn't really any good ones there. And then we ended up pulling a 24 for Fred. I gave Fred the opportunity to buy that motor because he doesn't have a 24. I didn't have the funds or the need for another one, so Fred ended up getting that. It took us a little bit longer, so we got out of the yard literally right before they closed. And you know what I'm saying, a quick little junkyard venture, I guess, for you guys. I need to get home right now, clean my wagon actually, and tonight we're gonna go to Mexico. But you guys are gonna have to stick around for the next video on that. Hopefully it happens, because you know what I'm saying, I'm a little nervous, but kind of want to stretch the wagon's legs a little bit. So I want to wrap up the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the junkyard adventure. If you guys did, be sure to leave a thumbs up, and if you guys want to see some Mexico stuff with the all-wheel drive wagon, be sure to hit the subscribe button. With that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.